Hey everyone, this is Joe from Arizona Fine Time, doing a review for you today on the new Casio G-Shock Rangeman. This is GW9400-1, which is the first G-Shock to use triple sensor, be multi-band 6 so it syncs to the atomic clock, and tough solar with a maximum power reserve of up to 23 months in sleep mode. To use your triple sensor, you're going to want to push the middle right button. One beep will indicate the altimeter mode, and this will display anywhere from negative 2,300 feet up to as high as 32,800 feet. Two beeps will be for your compass. This will indicate north as well as bearing objective and bearing angle to objective. Push it again and you have your barometer as well as thermometer. Please keep in mind you can switch from metric to US measurement in any of these modes. To go back to standard timekeeping mode, you'll push the lower left button, and if you push it again, you can switch your modes. First is going to be your world time mode. This allows you to easily switch time zones just by using the upper and lower right buttons. Great for travel and even if you just want to check a time zone real quick. Next is going to be your 1/100th of a second stopwatch. You can start and pause it by using the lower right button and reset by using the upper right button. This can measure as high as 1,000 hours. Next mode is going to be your countdown timer. This can measure anywhere from 1 minute up to as high as 24 hours, and once it reaches 0, you'll get an audible sound that'll beep 10 times. It's going to sound just like this sample here. Your next mode is your alarm, which you have 5 different ones to choose from. You can turn on or off by pushing the upper right button. One of them has snooze, and you also have an hourly time signal, which will beep twice on the hour every hour. You can scroll through by using the lower right button, and when the alarm sounds, it will sound just like this audible beep here, but 10 times. Next is sunrise, sunset information. You can actually scroll through different dates and see the different sunrise, sunset times. Data recall is going to be a display for your different logs, which you can do up to 40. Radio control receive is going to be for manual radio control reception. You hold down the lower right button for about 3 seconds while in this mode. And then finally, you're back to timekeeping mode, which will display, of course, time, day of the week, month, and date. There's also an LED light that can be activated by pushing the middle button. Measurements on this are going to be 53.5 millimeters by over 18 millimeters thick. It is a larger watch, but wears very well and very comfortable at only 93 grams. Overall, the new G-Shock Rangeman is the ultimate survival tool from G-Shock. They did an excellent job, not only shock resistant, but mud resistant and water resistant up to 200 meters. As always, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to call us at 1-800-486-3996 and check us out on azfinetime.com.